Well, it's here, guys. I finally got my Onewheel GT. After all, I kept saying it's going to be here, it kept getting pushed back. This is it. Let's see how this thing goes here. It's going to be a quick, simple unboxing, nothing special. I ordered this one the 1st of November, and it finally got here being the 25th, which is today. Okay, gonna need 2 hands here. Let's see if we can move this camera a little bit here. Doesn't want to do anything. Something like that. Okay. And I guess I got it all backwards. It's a heavy little dude. One heavy little dude. Wow. This is kind of out of my element. But I need something different. I'm up in my years. Need to get back in a little bit better shape than I actually am. And a Onewheel charger. I got the hypercharger, so we'll get this thing up and running. And hopefully, ooh, that does make a clunky noise, doesn't it? I'll have to see if a little bit of tape can go in there. It's a heavy little thing. I got some accessories for it, but I'm not going to put them on yet. I'm going to charge this thing up, and then I'm going to put the first video out, probably of me wiping out a few times. But I've ridden boards in the past, but not in the last 20 years, so we'll see how this thing goes. Until the next video, guys. See ya.